What's up, guys? On to another video of Virus VR. We're going to teach you guys how to get this elf skin. It's very easy and we're going to show you. Is that right, Melon? Okay, then follow me. Now, you have to click prog and then type in HAPPY and add a space. It says happy and then you add in space HOLIDAYS. Happy holidays. You see? Now click red. Look, I already redeemed it. And how to get another one? Click PLAYWITHDEV. No, play with Dev. So, look, you see I already redeemed it. Look, so play with Dev, it will give you like this skin. Like, not a skin though. Like, you see the red AC Varusy jacket. And look, and here. This is how you get it. Yeah. Like, subscribe if you want me to do more. See you on the next video.